Happy Independence, Nigerians. Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation-building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. Nigeria Independence 2025. Theme: Nigeria at 65. Reflecting on the past, inspiring the future. What does it mean to be Nigerian? It's more than our name, our flag, or our anthem. It is the power of hope in hardship, the courage to rise again, and the dream to build a better tomorrow. Today, as Nigeria turns 65, we don't just look back, we look forward together. This is a story of where we've been, where we are, and where we're going. The Nigeria of our dream. Stay tuned to the end as we reflect on our history, honor our past and present, and inspire the next generation of nation builders. And you will see why Nigeria is not just a country, it's a movement. A look back, how it all started. Nigeria at independence, 1st of October 1960. On October the 1st, 1960, Nigeria gained independence from British colonial rule. Standing on the left, Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, Prime Minister, and on the right, Queen Elizabeth II. The green-white-green flag was raised, and a nation full of rich culture, natural resources, and diverse people was born. Our journey has not been easy, but with every challenge, we've found new strength. From civil war to democratic transitions, from oil booms to economic trials, Nigeria has kept moving forward. At first, we were under a parliamentary system. Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa served as Prime Minister, and Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe was the Governor-General, later becoming our first president in 1963 when Nigeria became a republic. Since then, our journey has included both civilian and military leaders. We've had challenges, progress, setbacks, and victories. And through it all, we keep moving forward, and together we shall make Nigeria great again. Nigeria's heads of state and presidents, 1960 to 2025. 1. Sir Abubakar Tafawa Balewa, 1960 to 1966. Role: Prime Minister under British monarchy system, head of government under Queen Elizabeth II. First Prime Minister after Nigeria gained independence, promoted education and unity. 2. Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, 1960-1966. Role: Governor-General, 1960-1963. Then First President of Nigeria, 1963 to 1966, when Nigeria became a republic. Known as the Zik of Africa, a founding father of modern Nigeria. 3. Major General Johnson Aguiyi Ironsi, 1966. Role: military head of state. Came to power after a military coup. Attempted to unify the army and administration. Assassinated later the same year in a counter-coup. 4. General Yakubu Gowon, 1966 to 1975. Role: military head of state. Took power at age 31. Led Nigeria during the Civil War, 1967 to 1970. Started National Youth Service Corps, NYSC. Was overthrown while attending a conference abroad. Just a quick break. If you are gaining something, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. 5. General Murtala Mohammed, 1975 to 1976. Came in through a bloodless coup. Known for bold reforms and anti-corruption. Began civil service reforms. Made Abuja the new capital. Assassinated in a failed coup attempt in 1976. 6. General Olusegun Obasanjo, 1976 to 1979. Took over after Murtala's death. Introduced Operation Feed the Nation, OFN. The past national anthem, Arise, O Compatriot, handed power to a civilian in 1979, a rare and respected move. 7. Alhaji Shehu Shagari, 1979 to 1983. Role: first elected civilian president in the Second Republic. Promoted agriculture, Green Revolution. Government overthrown by the military on December 31, 1983. 8. Major General Muhammadu Buhari, 1983 to 1985. Took over in a military coup, known for his anti-corruption drive and war against indiscipline. 9. General Ibrahim Babangida, 1985-1993. Took over from Buhari in a military coup, known for economic reforms, introduced structural adjustment program, and annulling the 1993 elections, which many saw as Nigeria's freest election. 10. Chief Ernest Shonekan, 1993. Role: Head of Interim National Government, August-November 1993. Appointed after Babangida stepped aside, tried stabilizing the economy. 11. General Sani Abacha, 1993-1998. Military ruler known for iron-fisted control. Introduce Petroleum Trust Fund, PTF. Died suddenly in 1998. His regime was marked by human rights abuses and alleged looting of national wealth. 12. General Abdul Salami Abubakar, 1998-1999. Took over after Abacha's death. Transitioned Nigeria back to democracy in 1999. 13. Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, 1999 to 2007. Returned as civilian president under democratic rule. Served 2 terms. Known for economic growth, debt relief efforts, and telecom revolution. 14. Alhaji Umaru Musa Yaradua, 2007-2010. Known for being humble and law-abiding. Promoted the rule of law and peace in Niger Delta. Died in office in 2010 after a long illness. 15. President Goodluck. Jonathan, 2010-2015. Took over after Yaradua's death, then elected in 2011. Focused on education and youth empowerment. Known for peaceful handover after 2015 elections, a historic first in Nigeria. 16. Alhaji Muhammadu Buhari, 2015 to 2023. Returned to power as a civilian president after 3 decades. Focused on anti-corruption and security. Served 2 terms. 17. Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu, 2023 present. Sworn in on May 29, 2023 as president. Former governor of Lagos State. His presidency focuses on economic reform, subsidy removal, and governance restructuring. Total 17 leaders, 8 civilian presidents, 9 military rulers. Just a quick break. If you are gaining something, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Building the future. Your role matters. Independence is not just a flag or a holiday. It is a responsibility. We all have a role to play. Students, farmers, market women, workers, leaders, voters. When you grow, Nigeria grows. When you care, Nigeria shines. To the unsung heroes, our founding fathers who fought for our independence, we pray your labor shall never be in vain. Now to the street sweepers, nurses, youth corps members, professionals from all walks of life. The civil servants, you may not be in newspapers, but your work keeps Nigeria standing. We see you, we honor you, we say thank you to those yet to start. Maybe you're thinking, What difference can I make? The answer, a lot. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. Mentor someone. Start a business. Volunteer. Vote wisely. The future of Nigeria is not just coming. It's waiting for us to shape it. Nigeria is not just a place, it's people. You, me, all of us. As we raise our green and white flag today, let's also raise our standards, our service and our spirit. Happy Independence Day of freedom and purpose. Happy world of possibility. God bless Nigeria. Happy Independence Day to all Nigerians, home and abroad. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ogbatera. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. Today, 1st of October, International Day of Older Persons. 2nd October, International Day of Non-Violence. 4th October, World Space Week. 5th October, World Teachers' Day. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.